Okay, dear students, this is our lesson, first lesson resources. This is your what we can say, this is a QR code of our lesson, and this is the story what I have read, and this is the activity what we discussed already. Now we are moving to next part, the lesson water, electricity, research, vegetables and textbook have something in common. They are all being used by you, so they have utility. So we are using it. What we are doing? We are using it. So having some uses. Utility or usability is what makes an object or a substance as a resource. If something want to become a resource, what we should do? We want to use it. For example, fans are available in your living room or in your bedroom. If you are not at all using even single day, that is not at all resource for you. So what things we are using or we are having some utility or usability, like that things, it is known as resources. Then how does something become a resource? Raju now wanted to know. Amma told the children that things become resources only when they have a value. So another one point about resource, if that particular thing want to become resource, then it should have some value. For example, you are having some safety pins at home. We are not using that one. We are not giving any value to that one. Then that is not at all a resource for you. Another one example, your textbook. Now you don't have textbook. So it is very much valuable to us. Why? Without textbook we can't follow the lesson. So like that, which thing when they are having some value, was when some particular item become valuable in our life, that time only it will become a resource. For example, water or light, anything and everything the same condition. Then value means worth. Some resources have economic value, some do not. For example, metals that may have an economical value, a beautiful landscape may not. So when we are going to some sightseeing, seashore and all, it is not having like that particular value when we are looking to that particular item, but the metals like gold or aluminium or iron what we are using having the value. But something, this beautiful landscape, now we are thinking it is not a valuable thing, but when it is helping us to satisfy our human needs, and we are earning money from that. For example, tourists, they are coming and visiting that area, we are getting some money from that, then it is becoming valuable thing. That time again it will become like resources. Then but both are important and satisfy human needs. Some resources having very high value, some having very less value, but we need all the things which are having the economical value or social value, like that things, everything needed for our personal life. Then next one, some resources can become economically valuable with time. Now example, grandmother's home remedies have no commercial value today, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. For example, okay, here when I discuss with the 10th standard students about these resources and all, and incubators in every villages, especially some village area, they are having, if the hen is not ready to sit with egg for hatching, what they are doing, they are taking some salt and chili, like that. 10th standard students only said, I am not familiar with this technology and all, village technology it is, and they are using that one for hatching the eggs. So never taken any patent, and it is a village method what they are doing, and hatching egg after 20 days, 21 days, like that they inform. So like that things, now it is not a resource. We are thinking like that is not at all a resource, because it is village method. If somebody is taken that one for higher purpose instead of using this electricity and all, because salt is a natural resource, and if we are using not only one time, many times we can use it again and again. Reusable, that salt and chili means we may use for many times, like that. So like that situation, it may become economically valuable. Then here in glossary you can see what is the meaning of patent. It means the exclusive right over any idea or invention. So where we are having our own invention, or we are having the total right on that one, like that situation we have heard about many patents. America got patent, or Indians got patent, or for example Sindhu, like that one jackfruit is there, Karnataka people only developed that one and they got the patent about it. And pepper, we are Indians having many patent related to medicinal values and all like that, many things having. So the patent we want, when we are getting, when we are having a sole right on the that particular idea or invention in our hand. So when we are thinking about who find out the bulb or electricity, they all got patent, and that you studied in science already. So we are moving to next part. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resource. So how that particular item is FTP or soil, how it becomes resources, we can use, we can see one factor, it is time factor. Yesterday it was not a resource, tomorrow also not a resource, but in after 5 years, 10 years, it may become a resource. At the same time we are applying some of the technology, then also it will become a resource. So two factors are important factors, one is time and another one technology. Please you want to note it in your notebook, time and technology. Please write it down in your CW. Please take your CW and write today's date. Today's date is 16/4/2021 and day is Friday. Okay, we will write some important points from the lesson. One is utility or usability. Please note this point in your notebook. Utility or usability is what make an object or a substance a resource. Right? Utility, 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 or usability, USABILITY, usability. Please write it. Is what WHAT, what makes, MAKES, makes an object, an object, 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 or substance, note it down, SUBSTANCE, substance. Once again, SUBSTANCE. I think you noted. Check spelling of substance. SUBSTANCE, substance, a resource. Resource spelling RESOURCE, resource. Once again, RESOURCE, resource. So please check that sentence. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Okay. Then second thing, value. Value means worth. Value means worth. Please note it. Value, VALUE, value means worth. WORTH, worth. Okay. So Amma said all resources have some value, or its use or utility gives its value. So like that it is getting some value. It may be economical value or social value. So then word meaning of patent. Glossary, patent. Please write PATENT, PATENT, patent. Written once again, PATENT, patent, meaning it means the exclusive right over any idea, over any idea. Okay, exclusive, exclusive, exclusive. Right, 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 right. Over, OVER, over. Any idea, any idea, or invention, or invention. Spelling INVENTION, invention. INVENTION, invention. So once again, check the sentence. Patent, it means the exclusive right over any idea or invention. Then next point, time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into a resource. Please write it down. Time, 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 and technology, TECHNOLOGY, technology. Once again, TECHNOLOGY. When I am saying that letters, you pronounce with me, then you can write it very easily. TECHNOLOGY. Okay, time and technology are two important, two, TWO, two important, IMPORTANT. Once again, IMPORTANT. Next word, factors, FACTORS, factors. Next word, that, THAT, that. Next word, can, CAN, can. Next word, change, 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 change. Next word, little bit bigger word, please careful. Substance, SUBSTANCES. Once again, SUBSTANCES, substance. Into, INTO, into. Resources, RESOURCES, resources. Okay, time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into a resource. So what it mean by technology? It is given in glossary. Let us see that one first. It is the application of the latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. So different parts we can see in that one. Technology, it is an application of latest knowledge. It is not the theoretical knowledge. What it is? Application of our knowledge. What is what we know already, what information we received already, that we want to apply, and that should be latest one, not in 17th century, 18th century what happened, not that information. What is this 21st century or 2021, what new information we received, that we want to apply. And with that, what we want to do? We want to apply our skills for what? In doing or making things. When we are thinking about something, when we are doing something, when we are making something, what we want to apply our latest information or latest knowledge. So you can note it in your notebook. Technology already we written. Once again, note it. TECHNOLOGY, technology. Once again, TECHNOLOGY, technology. Okay, meaning it is the application, Tion. Once again, Capition. Once again, Application of latest. Next word, latest. 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 Next word, knowledge. 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 And and skill. Skill. Next word, in doing. In. Next word, doing. Doing. Or making. Making things. Things. So totally full sentence you can note it. Technology, it is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. Okay, I hope you already noted. So we are moving to the lesson. Both are related to the need of the people. Something, it is not needed now. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, after 10 years it is needed for us. So that time only it will become a resource. People themselves are the most important resource. When we are thinking about total resources, which is the most important resource? That is we ourselves. People are the most important resource. That also you can note. People, next sentence, please write it down. People, People. People. Next, themselves, THEMSELVES. Once again, THEMSELVES. Themselves. Are the most important. IMPORTANT. Once again, IMPORTANT. Next one, resource. RESOURCE. So now please check the sentence. People themselves are the most important resource. Why we are saying like that? Okay, let us see in next sentence. It is their ideas, knowledge, invention and discoveries that led to the creation of more resources. We are having some resources. When human knowledge is applying in that one, when we are applying our ideas in that particular thing, when we are inventing something, when we are discovering something, that time that resource become most important resource or most valuable resource in the society. Okay, I will say one of the story, that one, that is Nikola Tesla, like that one scientist was there before 100 years, and he was contemporary with Thomson Alva Edison, and there was finding out electricity and AC and DC current, and DC current by Edison and AC current by this Tesla. Then when both of them applied their ideas, knowledge, and they find out many new discoveries and inventions. For example, Edison find out the DC current, direct current, and with some of the limitations. And when Tesla was working with Edison, and he find out DC AC current and that AC electricity flow and all, that time without the with more perfection, that got more perfection in each and every invention. We can see that after some years we will make some of the changes. Now if you are thinking about mobile, we are looking to our grandparents mobile or parents old mobile that was with button mobile. Now we are having, all of us having this Android mobile or touch screen mobile like that. So we are applying our ideas and knowledge, and we are finding out new things, or we are discovering new things. So you can note how human people becoming resources, that one. Okay, you can not only that important words, ideas, IDEAS. Please write it down in notebook. Ideas. Okay, second one, knowledge. Already we written before. KNOWLEDGE. Knowledge. Next one, invention. INVENTIONS. Inventions. Once again, INVENTIONS. Inventions. Next one, discoveries. 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 Okay. So like that, we human being becoming most important resource. Next one, each discovery or invention lead to many others. So if you are finding out one thing, when Edison find out the DC current, from that Tesla developed the AC current. Afterwards we can see many variations of that discovery, or even computer or mobile, like that things, different stages of mobile and other things we already studied. So first invention, from that many other modification we can see in later days. Then discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking and other resources, while the invention of the wheel ultimately resulted the development of newer modes of transportation. Not only transportation, if we want to see the time in ordinary clock or timepiece or in watch, we need that wheel, small wheels inside, that one we can see. And next one, it is transportation. We know aeroplane or train, bus, car, like that many types of transport it is available, like that things also we can see. The next one, the technology to create hydroelectricity has turned energy in fast flowing water into important resource. So we are not changing that water into electricity. What we are doing, we are keeping some machine there. When that water is flowing, falling on that machine, it is rotating and it is changed to power, and it is changing to electricity. So that details we will study in already you studied in science, that you know already, and how this dynamo and all working. So we are giving pressure on that particular instrument, from that we are getting the electricity. So that water also become very important, what we can say, resource. So we are stopping here, and listen video carefully and note the points. You can take your own time, and please send snapshot of each and every important points what I said to note in notebook. We said some points like that, what is utility, what is value, what is how we are getting the time and technology, that are the important factors to become something to resource. Then people as a resource, how we are becoming resource, that we discussed. Then glossary, 2 words, technology and patent we have written. So all these things, please take snapshot of that one and send it to me today itself in this new app. Don't depend on old app, please send to me today itself. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.